We start with the back of a fork. We take our pillow, we put it on the back of the fork, and we press down and we roll the gnocchi. And this is our first gnocchi. We use now the gnocchi board and we put our pillow on the board. We gently press off the board going down, and this is our gnocchi. And the sides should be even so the gnocchi will cook uniformly. If you don't want to use your thumb, place your pillow on the board and use a scraper. It's even easier. Now use the back of a grater, and it's like just like a board, gnocchi board, that you just gently pressing down with your thumb off to the grater, and you have a different pattern. Now we use the meat hammer, and it's the same. With your thumb, you gently press, and here we have a different pattern on your side of the gnocchi. So the reason why we are rolling the gnocchi is that we want to have an indentation on one side and a cavity on the other side. Both are very essential to help the sauce to stick. So I think it's a fun thing to do and relaxing as well. Hope this was helpful and that you're going to have a lot of fun as much as I do.